Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yep, Bitcoin is now at 63,300, as you can obviously see. We are getting a red dot on the daily time frame. I believe it was not. If it's not the daily, then it was a different time frame that I was looking at. I believe maybe the 12-hour. Yes, correct. It was the 12-hour time frame. We are getting a small little red dot at the moment. The money flow is extremely high, however, so even though we get a small correction, I think we have a really good chance of bouncing back towards the upside. Ethereum now at $4,080. I believe we reached 4,800. Not sorry, 4,280. I believe. Let me go take a look at that. I just removed my ribbon. There we go. Reached. Oh my god! Wow, we actually reached 4,370. Never mind. We reached much higher levels than I expected. Wow, really good, really good for all you Ethereum holders. This is the pattern I just want to outline right away that I've been looking at at the moment. We can see we got 3 touch points there, right here, boom, boom, and then boom right there, and then from there on we've been correcting down all the way to 64,300. We're now actually breaking this pattern right here. Let's see if we can hold it. You could definitely draw this many different ways. You could take this from the wicks if you want. It's all up to you. But if you do it from the wicks, these wicks don't really match up. So that's why I'm not referring to the wicks at the moment. I'm referring to the candle bodies. And let's take a look at the 1 hour. We can see that we actually came back down and touched our Fibonacci extension level perfectly right here. We reached a fib extension level number 1. And if we can hold it, then that would be great. If we do break down, then yeah, you got to look at the $57,000 level and the 0.618. But for the time being, it appears that Bitcoin could possibly be, maybe, I don't want to scare anyone, make any red alerts. There's some strong support at 62,500 and 61,000. So I think we might even hold those levels if we do come down. And I think that if we do end up coming down much more, then yeah, we can definitely look at these support boxes I've drawn before, like the green one right here set at 57,200 and 52,000. But I really don't think we're gonna come that low. I think this is just a cooling period, like right here. When we cool off after such a big jump, right? We did just, after all, we did yesterday. We did just go up 8% in a day for Bitcoin, and for Bitcoin, that's a lot for in just one day. And also, congratulations to everyone that's invested in Vechain at the moment. Our investment challenge is actually doing pretty well, surprisingly. Just doing some quick analysis right here. I think that if we break the 15 cents level right here, or the 14.3 and 0.15 level on Vechain, we actually have a really good chance of testing the all-time highs, which is back at, let's take a look here, 28 cents or 29 cents, if you will. And from there on, that would be a very nice gain, since we've invested I believe a dollar, sorry, not a dollar, 11 cents, and there we go right there. It would be a 145% gain on our investment. So let's see if we can make it. If we can definitely get above this purple line, I really think we have a really good chance of doing that. Let's take a look at our hash ribbon, since the market is down a bit today. Yeah, they're getting a little bit closer, but I don't think this is the end of it. I don't think the capitulation is going to come yet. I think we have ways to go. I think this is just a take profit areas for some traders, and just selling some Bitcoin right now, just realizing some gains. It's not a bad idea at all. And we can see that Bitcoin might even reach this top right here in the W on the Bitcoin dominance. If we could reach it and break above it, then yes, I think that we are going to skyrocket. Bitcoin price is going to maybe 100,000, 200,000, but we need to break it first. At the moment, it seems like BTC is taking a bit of a breather. You can see that the RSI on the Bitcoin dominance is topping out a little bit. Well, we've seen it go much higher before, so definitely there's still some room to go. And the RSI can definitely keep going down, but the price, the Bitcoin dominance does not have to keep dropping, right? The price could technically just be, the RSI could just keep going down, and then the price could just be consolidating as well. So let's see if it does that. And right here, we can see that altcoins are bleeding a bit today, but they've had an impressive rally yesterday as well. 6, 8% gains, 10% gains. really good all around. Right now we're at 63,300. I will also be looking at this pattern right here when we broke out of this channel. If we do come back down and test it, I'd be eyeing the $59,000 to $60,000 levels. So that's a pretty key level that I'd be looking at. And on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the money flow is decreasing a little bit, but we want to take a look at larger time frames such as a 4 hour, the 6 hour, the 8 hour, all looking pretty good. Even though we got small little red dots, this could just mean a small correction before some more upside, right? It's when you see the money flow decreasing, that's when you want to be a little bit concerned. And yeah, if we do get a small correction, that would be healthy before our next leg up. And then from there on, we'd be looking at our next long opportunity on Bitcoin, which would be really good for the challenge account. Anyways, love you guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Also want to make a quick announcement on Saturdays now. Instead of doing 2 daily updates for Bitcoin, I think I'm just going to do 1 update on the weekends. So for Saturdays or Sundays, I'm not gonna decide. I'm gonna decide soon, but I think it's gonna be Saturdays. I'm just gonna do. It's gonna be called. I think I talked with the moderators about this. It's gonna be called Stock Saturdays or Saturday Stock, right? And I'm just gonna go over some stocks that I actually own myself and what I would invest in and what I'm invested currently other than cryptocurrencies. So if you guys like that, leave a like and I'll do it. And if you don't, then leave a comment saying not to do it, I guess. But thank you so much for your support, guys. I'll talk to you later. Peace.